The most important ritual you can put in place is your morning ritual. Because if you get up in the morning and do things that get you feeling great to make the most out of the day ahead, you'll be way more productive that day. Imagine the difference between that and your alarm just going off in the morning, snoozing 3 times, rolling out of bed, eating something quickly, and then heading out the door in a half daze. When you have a morning ritual, you get fired up and in the right mindset to go after what you want to get done that day. For this reason alone, it's a must. The time you invest by doing this first instead of jumping straight to work will pay you huge returns in productivity. But there's an even more important reason to do this. You see, Hal Elrod, who wrote the book, The Miracle Morning, which is all about setting up a morning ritual, said that we think to achieve more, we need to do more. But in reality, to achieve more, we need to become more. When you become more, you achieve more by doing less. So the even more important benefit of your morning ritual is personal development. You're investing that time not just for the day, but for your life. It's like Jim Rohn, the great speaker, said, income seldom exceeds personal development. Success is something you attract by the person you become. So you want to invest this first part of the day in things that get you in the right state of mind and things that, if done again and again, help you become the person you can become. Here's how Hal Elrod recommends breaking your morning ritual down. He describes it by the acronym SAVERS. He says to start by some sort of silence or meditation first off to get centered, and then affirmations followed by visualization, exercise, reading, and scribing, which is a fancy word for writing in a journal. Now, you don't have to do all of these things, but here is what I'd recommend doing as a bare minimum. Firstly, exercise. You want to invest this time in getting strong, healthy, and more importantly, feeling awake and energized for the day ahead. This can be walking out the door and going for a walk. It could be 10 minutes on a rebounder, or it could be a full workout. But even just 10 to 20 minutes first thing in the morning is enough. Next is reading your purpose out loud with enthusiasm. You've written down your purpose and now you want to remind yourself, and not only remind yourself, but get excited about going after your vision and your purpose that day. And lastly, visualize. You want to visualize a scene where you've achieved your purpose and you want to play that movie in your mind. But also visualize your day ahead. Visualize the day going perfectly. Visualize how you're going to be productive. Visualize how you're going to go about getting everything done and how you're going to avoid distractions. Roy Williams, who wrote the book The Wizard of Ad, said that the first step to doing something is seeing it in your mind. And whatever you want to get done for the day, see yourself doing it as part of your ritual. Now, also ask yourself, is there anything else that you want to add that will help you toward being the person you want to become? I do recommend starting as simple as possible, but if there is something else you want to add it in there as well. And then most importantly, write it down and start tomorrow morning.